This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tina Rodriguez. Wow! This home has everything to love. Totally remodeled inside and out. All impact glass windows and doors. New roof in 2017. Beautiful porcelain tile floors and wooden bedrooms, totally open concept floor plan west/white kitchen and stainless steel appliances. Both baths remodeled. Indoor utility/laundry room west/tankless water heater, new electrical box, paver patio plus paver walkway on entire south side of home. Fenced yard west/room for a pool, 1-car carport plus driveway fits 3 of cars. Convenient location to FL Turnpike, university dining room west/lots of shopping and restaurants, walk to elementary school. Established neighborhood, no HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Tina Rodriguez at 954-693-0100.